welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello, we are back again with a new topic of Weka. We have already completed multiple sessions on Wexplorer, and this time our focus is on Weka Experimenter. In this session, we are going to apply different regression algorithms and compare their performance in Experimenter. Let's directly go to Weka environment. Weka is a machine learning tool used for data mining jobs. We already know about Explorer. Now our target is Experimenter. Let's initiate it. This is the environment for Weka Experimenter. It helps to create, run, modify and analyze experiments in a more convenient manner than processing the schemes individually. For example, we can set a dataset and select different machine learning algorithms, and after analysis the experimenter will tell which algorithm performs best for this dataset, and we can choose that for further analysis. Let's start our experiment. First we will select New. Now from experiment type, we will choose test train percentage split. We can even choose cross validation, but we will go for this specific option and we will select 80-20 method. So 80% for training set and 20% for test set. And we will do this for regression analysis. So we will select regression. This section is for the data set. So from add new, we will choose a data set. So it's available in documents, then Weka data, then we will choose Boston data set. This section is showing that we have only selected one data set. We can even set multiple data sets for our experiment. To know detail about the data set, we have to click on it. It will display the data set in our viewer. So this data set has total 14 numeric variables. And our target variable is MEDV, which is a type of numeric. So we are going to predict this MEDV from all these attributes. Let's move to algorithm section. Similar to data sets, we can choose multiple machine learning algorithms. So for this specific session, we will choose all the available regression algorithms. First one is linear regression, which is available in functions. So we are keeping all the parameters as default. The next one, we will choose the support vector machine for regression. Similar to the previous one, we will keep all the parameters as default for SVM also. Now next one, we will choose a multi-layer perceptron. So let's set the hidden layers. We will add two hidden layers. First one with 2 neurons, the second one with the 3 neurons. And we are keeping learning rate the same 0.3, then OK. Then we will choose KNN, which is available in lazy evaluation, so IBK, and we will set the KNN value as 3, then OK. After that we will choose some alternatives from tree-based methods. Let's choose decision tree, then OK. Finally we will choose random forest machine learning algorithm, which is available in the same trees folder. We will choose random forest, and we are keeping the number of iterations is 100 and max depth is 0. Okay, so we are going to apply these 6 regression algorithms on our Boston data set. Now we will move to run and start. So the run has finished now. Now we will move to analyze. From this analyze section, we have to select experiment. So all the algorithms will be available in our application area. As this is a regression problem, our performance matrix should be RMSE. So we have to select RMSE from this comparison field. Let's choose root mean square error. And the significance level will be the same 0.05. We can set our test base. So our test base is linear regression. We are keeping this as it is. Now let's perform the test. It's already done. So this is the test output section. It's showing that we have only one data set and 6 result sets for 6 algorithms, and our confidence is 0.05 with two-tailed. And for this specific 6 algorithms, this section is showing the performance. The first one is linear regression. The RMSE value is 4.83. The second one is SVR is 4.97. Then MLP, that is 4.86. Next one is KNN is 4.48. Then decision tree, the RMSE value is 4.45. And finally, random forest has generated the lowest RMSE value, which is 3.23. So from this experiment, we can conclude that for this specific Boston dataset, random forest works best. Now we will return to setup again. This time we are going to use multi-layer perceptron algorithm, and we will change their parameters and try to understand the effect on the result. Let's delete all these algorithms. Now we will select the multi-layer perceptron, which is available in functions, multi-layer perceptron. For the first one, we will choose 2 hidden layers with 2 and 3 neurons, and we are keeping the learning rate is 0.1, then OK. Now for the second experiment, we will choose the same multi-layer perceptron, but this time we will take 3 hidden layers, 2, 3 and 2, and we will keep the learning rate as same, 0.1. And finally, we will use the multi-layer perceptron for 4 hidden layers, and the neurons are 2, 3, 2 and 2 respectively. And we are keeping learning rate same, 0.1. Now we will move to the run section and start. So the run has finished. Now we will go for analyze. We will select experiment. Now we have 3 alternatives, same multi-layer perceptron with different tuning parameters. Still, this is a regression problem, so we will choose root mean square error. Now test base. We can set the first one as the base. Now perform test. So experimenter successfully completed the test. This time we have only one data set, but we have 3 alternative algorithm options. Now move to the performance section. For the first one with 2 hidden layers, the RMSE value is 4.11. For the second one with 3 hidden layers, the RMSE value increased a bit, and in case of 4 hidden layers, it increased a lot. So we have received best performance from 2 hidden layers. So this is our target algorithm. So we are done with the experiments from the Weka experimenter. Now returning to the presentation. Today in this session, we have explored Weka experimenter. We selected 6 machine learning algorithms and applied those on Boston dataset and compared their performance. So that's all for today. Goodbye.